Question 4, we've got this formula here and we're being asked to rearrange it. So if you put a 0 in here, and then we'll add that to both sides. Like, I'm not going to write it all out again, but look, if I put a half t squared there, I'd get 40 the sine of t over 10 minus 9 the cos of t over 10 plus 9. If I times it all by 2, that can be an 80, that can be an 18, and that can be an 18. And then I can square root it, so I've got the square root of all of that, which I think is what they wanted us to do. So tapping all of this into the calculator, I've got my initial guess of 8. I've got the enormous big long thing here that I've just worked out. And so I get my next one of 7.928, 3 decimal places. The one after I've got as 7.896. And a third one of 7.882, and it wants another one, does it? The fourth one is 7.876, using the iterative formula there. So continuing on, it asks us now to differentiate the thing. So look, sine differentiates to cos. The t over 10 will stay as the t over 10, and we're timesing by this 10th out here. So you're going to get a 4 out there. Cos goes to minus sine of t over 10, and we've got a 9 over 10 out there, and that bit there, just half times 2 times t, so I've got minus t on the end of it. So now, rather than doing this iterative formula all those times there, it's just saying let's use 1 Newton-Raphson. So the Newton-Raphson starting at 8, so we're going to do 8 minus h of 8 over h dashed of 8. So sticking the 8 in that top one there, I've got minus 0.5761. Sticking the 8 in the one I've just worked out, that differentiated one, I've got another minus 4.5676. And so tapping all of that in, I get 7.874 to 3 dp. So it shows the power of this one, how quickly it gets to an answer compared to the original ones, which just go on and on. Not quite sure what the last one's getting at. I mean, clearly the graph goes up and down like this, and the graph says it's going from 0 to A. And the model just says t is greater than or equal to 0. So just one improvement would say, well, clearly it's not going to go, the highest point's going to be up, going down and down there. So I would say t is between 0 and A. But I don't understand why that's hence. And so I don't know exactly what they're going for.